Good morning, students. This is your maths class, and in the last class I had asked you to do questions from exercise 9.2. Okay, so most of you have done your work correctly related to question number 1 to A, B, C and D. Okay, but some of you have still not correctly done question number 3, 4. Okay, for 5 I had already done both the questions in question number 5 sub questions, which is question number A and B. Okay, so today I'll be also letting you know how to do question number 3 B, C and question number 4 B and C. Question number A, in both the questions I had already done in the earlier class. So question number 3, how many hours will be there in 5 days? In 3B, they are asking how many hours will be there in 5 days. Your answer will be, first you will note down that hours in 1 day is equal to 24. Now hours in 5 days will be 24 into 5, 24 5 times, isn't it? In 1 day you have got 24 hours. In 5 days it will be 24 into 5 times, that will be 120. Thus there are 120 hours in 5 days. Now for question number C, 1 week, how many hours will be there in 1 week? Your answer here, you write answer. Okay, excuse me. Hours in 1 day will be 24. You know that there are 24 hours in 1 day. Okay, now hours in 1 week will be 24 into 7. How many days are there in 1 week? There are 7 days. So you multiply 24 by 7 times. That will be 168. Thus there are 168 hours in 1 week. Okay. Now question number 4. Calculate the number of minutes in 6 hours. Your answer will be minutes in 1 hour. First you will take out how many minutes there will be in 1 hour. That you already know that minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now you have to take out minutes in 6 hours. 6 hours. So you will simply multiply 60 by 6. That will be 360. Thus there are 360 minutes in 6 hours. Okay, or if you are still confused with this, okay, how we are getting 360, add 60 6 times. Okay, 1 hour you have got 60 minutes, 6 hours you have to add 60 6 times, and still you will get this answer only, 360. Now they are asking, calculate the number of minutes in 1 day. How many minutes are there in 1 day? Now you know that minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now minutes in 1 day, you know that there are 24 hours in 1 day. Okay, so you will simply multiply 60 by 24. That will be 1440. Thus there are 1440 minutes in 1 day. Okay, this is how you will solve these questions that are given over here. Okay, 3 and 4. Now today we'll be learning some more things about time, related to time. Okay, so the first topic for today is estimating time. You must have heard people saying, I studied for about 1 hour, it takes me about 10 minutes to finish my lunch, and so on. We estimate time when we are not sure of the exact time of a task. Look at the given examples. It takes about 5 minutes to pack a school bag. It takes about 2 minutes to drink a glass of juice. It takes about 3 hours to travel from New Delhi to Agra. We can also estimate time in terms of days, weeks, months and years. For example, it takes about a week to recover from fever. Okay, and we spend about 14 years in school. This is the estimation of time. These are not the exact time limits. Okay, these are just estimation of time. Okay, why do we use estimation of time? So that when we are not sure of the exact time of a task. Okay, it may take more than 14 years or less than 14 years to complete a school. Okay, now it may take more than a week to recover from a fever, or it may take less than a week to recover from fever. Similarly, in these cases also, you may take more minutes, okay, or hours, or less minutes, okay, or hours to complete these tasks that are given over here. In these cases, when you do not know the exact time limit, we use estimated time. Okay, now calendar. The next topic today is calendar. You must have seen many different kinds of calendars in the market, like wall calendars, desk calendars, etc. They may look different, but they all contain the same information. There are 52 weeks and 1 day in a year. Okay, if you count, okay, from January to December, there are 52 weeks and 1 day in a year. There are 7 days in a week. You know that there are 7 days in a week, Monday to Sunday. Okay, there are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are 7 days in a week. There are 12 months in a year. You also know that there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year. Now these months I have already named them over here. Okay, each month has 4 weeks and a few days. Okay, so each month always has a 4 week and a few more days. Okay, we need the day, month and year to write a date. The most common way to write a date follows the pattern day, month and year. We always, when you are also writing your classwork or homework, you first write your day, okay, your month, and after that year. Which day it is? It is 7th of November, okay, 2016. Suppose we were talking about today, we would have written 3rd of December 2021. Okay, now to the next page. Leap year. So what is leap year? We know that the earth revolves around the sun. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Okay, so what is revolution? The movement of earth around the sun, okay, is called revolution. So it takes the earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. These 365 and 1/4 days constitute 1 year. Okay, but for convenience, we take 1 year to be of 365 days. Okay, so it will be not correct calculation if we are not going to get a correct calculation if we take 1/4 days also for counting a year. So if, in order to make it easier to count 1 year, okay, we just take 365 days to for a year. Okay, every 1/4 year we add 1 day to February to compensate for the 1/4 day left out every year. Sorry, every 4th year. So after every 4th year we add 1 day to February to compensate for 1/4 day left out every year. So every year you leave out 1/4 year, 1/4 of the day. Okay, so that will be added up on the 4th year in the month of February as 1 day. Okay, this year, in which February has 29 days instead of 28 days, is called a leap year. We can find out if a year is a leap year or not by dividing it by 4. If there is no remainder left, it is a leap year. For example, 2008 has a leap year was a leap year as it can be completely divided by 4. If you divide 2008 by 4, you will get 502. You will not get any remainder. So 2008, the year 2008 was a leap year. A leap year has 52 weeks and 2 days. As we had learned earlier, okay, over here in this page, every year has 52 weeks and 1 day, okay. But in the case of leap year, it has 52 weeks, but one more day is added to it. That will make 2 days, okay. Now exercise 9.3. Take the correct estimate of time to do the following activities, okay. So there are 2 columns given, okay. In the first column they have given you the activities and the time of, in the next column, time for estimation, okay. How much time will you take to do these activities? How much time will you take to brush your teeth, okay. Here they have given you 3 minutes or 3 hours, 2 minutes or 2 hours, 25 minutes or 25 hours, 5 minutes or 5 hours, 2 weeks or 2 hours, 10 minutes or 10 hours. Obviously you will just take 3 minutes to brush your teeth, not 3 hours. You will not be continuously brushing your teeth for 3 hours, okay. So similarly, how many minutes will you take to read a story book, okay. To read a story book, obviously you are not going to finish it in 2 minutes, so you will take 2 hours at the most to finish a story book or read a story book. In a similar manner, you solve these questions, okay, from question number 1. Now in question number 2, fill in the blanks. Monday comes before which day? Now these are easy questions. You just write the answer down. Starting from Monday, the 4th day of the week is, now you have got Monday as a first day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday is the 4th week, okay. The 5th month of the year is, you can count it out, okay, which is the 5th month of the year. If the last month was September, which will be the next month? So after the month of September, which month comes, okay, you can write it down. Number E, if tomorrow is Sunday, yesterday was, if tomorrow is Sunday, okay, and today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, obviously, okay. 2 months which consecutively have 31 days are dash and dash. Look at the calendar, okay, and which days do have 31 days consecutively. You can write it down after looking at the calendar. You have already got a calendar over here, a picture of a calendar, okay. Now if today is 31st of July, okay, what date will it be tomorrow? You can look at the calendar again and write the answer down. 2 months after October is, what will be 2 months after October, okay. Again look at the calendar and write your answer down. Match the column. The next question, Teachers Day. When is Teachers Day celebrated? When is Republic Day celebrated? When is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? When is Independence Day celebrated? When is Christmas celebrated? When is Children's Day celebrated? Okay, you find out these days and match the columns, okay. Now we'll be doing up to here for today, okay. Your homework for today is exercise 9.3, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, okay. 9.3 homework for 3rd December 2021. Thank you.